During our great culinary travels, we visited Azeroth. We visited grim lands of the Witcher and many other places. Today, I would like to invite you to the land of Skyrim. When you're mighty, dragonborn warrior, you need to eat well. Ask yourself, what these mighty warriors may eat? Maybe it's red meat roasted in dragon fire? Well, not exactly. Today I'm gonna show ya how to prepare a cabbage soup straight from the land of Skyrim. Alright, here are some quick facts. So, today I'll tell ya about the cabbage soup. We could make a normal dish like mammoth steak, but where would the challenge be? Besides the traditional cabbage soup, Skyrim has an apple cabbage stew and a cabbage potato soup. They must really like cabbage. If you're too lazy to cook, you can go on a quest and find ready-made soup in Chillwind depths. Yep, only a single bowl of this soup can be found anywhere. Where is this soup? Are you a cabbage soup? According to the Elder Scrolls, you only need 2 ingredients, a cabbage and a pile of salt. Seriously? I'm supposed to believe you can make these mussels by eating only cabbage and salt? Come on! I will add some ingredients to this recipe so we don't starve to death. Alright. We start with... No, not with the cabbage. First we cut mushrooms. Then we cut onions. It may be a cabbage soup, but with onions and mushrooms, everything is better. Let's show the hungry people from Skyrim how real men should eat. Now we fry it all in butter. Maybe not healthy, but it's delicious. When the pot is hot like a forge, we cover the pot and simmer for a few minutes. Now we pour beer all over it. Yeah, I like beer. And the next ingredient is... No, it's not cabbage yet. We cut potatoes. We strike one deadly blow like an axe opening the enemy's skull, and we throw them into boiling soup. The water could be evaporated, so we fill up with beer. More beer! And there it is, a cabbage, half bastard. I think I understand how Dragonborn made his muscles eating this kind of dish. We're gonna shred this cabbage like hordes of enemies that meet our blades. We throw it in the pot and cook it covered. Now it's time for an apple that will give you a sour taste that will remind you of Potema's catacombs. And besides, an apple is tasty and fits every dish. Mix everything and cook until the vegetables are softened. The last stage of our journey is adding some spices. Sea salt straight from the Sea of Ghosts. Freshly ground pepper, sharp as dragon flame, and cumin. If you eat a lot of cabbage, you should know why we add cumin. Now I feel like I can hunt dragons. Let's just end this piece of... Remember to subscribe. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Do you want me to make a recipe for a specific dish? Write your comments. I'm also waiting for your questions.